At 6 o'clock, a woman pulled from her car just moments before it exploded into flames. A group of stonemasons, well, they heard the crash and they ran to help. Our New Hampshire Bureau Chief, Michael Rosenfield, is live in Manchester with a pretty amazing story. Michael.
Jack, they were very quick and very brave, and they're credited with saving a woman's life after this frightening crash. Joshua Parker and David Sampson were hard at work on a new patio when they were startled by the crash.
We heard a loud bang. We walked around the corner and noticed a minivan pinned up against a tree on fire. There was a small fire under the hood.
The men jumped into action. Dave and another member of the crew helped pull the screaming woman from the driver's seat, while Josh, who noticed a car seat in the back, looked for a child. But the driver, 35-year-old Suzanne Winslow, was alone. Soon the car was engulfed.
In retrospect, it's pretty scary, but I mean, at the time, I really, didn't cross my mind. It's just a matter, someone needed help, and we just happened to be there at the right place at the right time.
The car had slammed into a tree on Manchester Street. Investigators aren't sure on a cause just yet, but firefighters say if it hadn't been for the stonemasons' quick thinking, the driver likely would have died.
It happened and we reacted.
Today, family members paid a visit to the crew to thank them for their brave work.
They were really happy, in a matter of minutes, it could have been a different story, so, it's nice to make a difference, I guess,
Suzanne's family members told us on the phone today that Suzanne had surgery for a broken hip. She also has a lacerated spleen, but very lucky to be alive. We're live in Manchester tonight. Michael Rosenfield, WBZ News. Lisa?
Brave men. Michael, thank you.